So students, now we'll proceed with the discussion of the subjective assignment of It So Happen, chapter 6 and 7. Kashish, will you read question number 1, please?
Yes, ma'am. Why was Ranji attracted to pool?
Yes. Now answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ranji was attracted to pool because in his town there were only sticky muddy pools where buffaloes wallowed and women washed clothes. He had never seen a pool which was so clean and cold. So
Okay.
that's why he was attracted in that pool.
You must have added something about the pool also. You thought of comparing. You described the previous pool, but when we are talking about the pool, that why he was attracted, we somewhere need to add one sentence about the pool also. Yes, Narendra, Beta, you can raise hand physically or if you want to add something. Okay?
May I
Yeah,
start?
yeah, Narendra.
Ranji was attracted to the pool because it seemed very clear and inviting and cool. The water had a gentle translucency and so clean that the round pebbles were also visible. Ranji found it really hot in the forest, and he luckily found a pool with cool water.
Huh. Now see the difference that Kashish described the previous pool better and you described this new pool better, you know, but both should be added. He was attracted because it was very crystal clear. It is on first page, Kashish, page number 45. Beta. Last paragraph means it is mentioned the water had a gentle transparency and you could see the smooth round pebbles at the bottom of the pool. And then we can add rather otherwise the pool in his town. The women they used to wash clothes and the animals they or the fellows they bellows and all. Right? So we should mention both of the we should mention the comparison of the pool. Then our answer will be more appreciable. Okay? Yes. Gurli, question number 2.
Ma'am, I don't have the questions.
You have the answers? No. Okay. Ishita,
Yes, ma'am. Second question is, why did he not hesitate to enter that pool?
okay.
Ranchi did not hesitate to enter that pool because when he was living in a thirsty town of Rajputana desert, he had often gone for swimming alone or with friends. So he did not hesitate when he saw the pool in the forest.
Means he was a good swimmer, isn't it? Yes. Shrey,
Ma'am, third question.
yes. Because here we in question number 2 we need to mention about the skill of this Ranji that he was a good swimmer and he used to swim in his town pool also with his friends or alone. So he could not control himself. है ना एक swimmer को जब एक साफ सुंदर pool दिखाई देगा एक साफ सुथरा pool दिखाई देगा तो naturally he could not control. Yes. Shrey, third question.
Why was he taken aback by the hostility of the other stone? When Ranji entered the pool, he noticed another boy standing a little distance away, staring at him in a hostile manner. Ranji had cool and friendly attitude and wanted the other person to join him in swimming. But when the stranger talked to him rudely, he was taken aback.
Why he was discouraged? He was very friendly. He was friendly in the
Friendly.
he expected friendship from the other end. Yes. Siddhima, do you have questions? Yes, good answer. Siddhima,
Yes, ma'am.
third question. Fourth, Shrey, it was third, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhima, fourth question, beta.
Describe briefly the first confrontation of Ranji and the other boy.
हाँ जी,
Uh, Sorry, ma'am, I don't know answer of this question because I didn't find it easy.
easy.
I didn't find the answer.
Okay, once you are having a full-fledged page, we have to describe very briefly. Otherwise, you can get
Ma'am,
for the long question. This kind of question can be in the long question answer. Yes, once.
describe briefly the first confrontation of Ranji and the other boy. Ma'am, it is when Ranji entered into the pool, the stranger was staring at him in a hostile manner and asked him what he was doing there. He also said that it was his pool and always swim alone. He wanted
Means
Ranji
you
to
are
leave
describing
and
the fight and you are describing the loophole. In 3 sentences, you are describing the loophole. Yes, who have written.
he wanted Ranji to leave and called himself a warrior. Ranji called himself a fighter and finally they started fighting and arguing
Okay,
each other.
Padni, repeat the question also.
Describe briefly the first confrontation of Ranji and the other boy. The other boy
First,
declared himself a warrior.
first
The
confrontation.
other boy,
Okay.
the other boy declared himself a warrior and Ranji proclaimed himself a fighter. The stranger assumed a violent attitude, showing Ranji the palm of his hand and made a hissing sound. They stared each other. Then the warrior slapped Ranji with all force he could muster. Ranji's face got thick red finger marks. Ranji swung his arm up and pushed a hard bony fist into the other's face. They were at each other's throats, swaying on the rocks, tumbling onto the sand. After some time, when they were exhausted, the other boy decided to continue the fight next day.
So somewhere you can just mention page number 47 and 48. They stared each other in the eye for almost a minute, and warrior, he started. He slapped Ranji. Page 47. The warrior slapped Ranji across the face with all his force he could muster. Right? So they started each other, they were at each other's throats, swaying on the ropes, tumbling onto the sand, rolling over and over. Sidima, you got it? 47 page. है ना? This line describes that they were rolling on each other. है ना? They were fighting. जैसे गुत्थम गुत्था हो जाते हैं बच्चे. Their legs, arms locked. Yes, they will.
Ma'am, in this confrontation, ma'am, can we just first tell that, ma'am, like, except the fight, can we mention like other the looks they were like
The
showing
look,
each other and all?
you might be concerned about the look, है ना? But somewhere we need first confrontation means somewhere. Hriday, read the next
like
question.
I have written a full paragraph on it, so can I add a few lines after that? Like it's maybe a 5-6 lines about that. So
Next question. Hriday, please read the next question also.
okay, ma'am. Why did all the hopes of Ranji that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge dash?
So first confrontation जो होती है बेटा उसमें हम उनकी fight because it ended in fight ना. आप hostile look की बात कर रहे हैं कि उसका friendly look था और उसका hostile look है ना. He got a hostile look in return. वो response खाली look उस पे आता है उनका first उनकी meeting पे. Fine. So just जब हम first confrontation की बात करेंगे describe briefly इसका मतलब है how it ended ये हमें देना पड़ेगा and it ended in fight. ठीक है ना? I hope you got it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So we need to mention the confrontation that ended in fight and they decided to have a fight next year. The end house. Fine. So एक sentence में in one sentence you just started that how that person start the warrior he hit him on the face, he slapped Ramji. Then they started fighting, tumbling, swaying on the rope, tumbling onto the sand, rolling over and over, their legs, arms, locked, desperate. फिर हमें उनको ये भी बताना पड़ेगा, they ended by challenging each other for the fight next. Clear? Yes. Fifth question. Salil, have you written?
Ma'am, I have written only question.
Only questions. Very nice. Very nice. Now you will
Ma'am, other answers. Ma'am,
revise.
answer I somewhat.
Revise all the back exercise questions also that are available on each and every site, you know. Don't get it.
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you are asked to mark it should be done. Clear? You should prepare all back
Yes,
exercise questions for exams. Yes. Next question. Prab Meher. Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am. Why did all hopes of Ranji that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge dash or answered all the hopes of Ranji that have forgotten the challenge his opponent sitting stripped to the waist on a rock on the other side of the pool?
Repeat the question, please.
All the hopes of Ranji that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge, but these hopes were dashed when he saw his opponent sitting stripped to the waist on a rock on the other side of the pool.
Yes. Next week. Next week he expected that he might have forgotten to fight, but when he saw that the other person, he was getting ready for the fight, he always hopes that. Yes, he did. Next chapter, question number 1. Harshit. Hidde and then Harshit. Yes, Hidde.
Yes, ma'am. Whom did Mr. Nuttall meet when he visited Mrs. Appleton and why? Mr. Nuttall met a 15-year-old niece of Mrs. Appleton downstairs because she was busy in a piece of work upstairs in the home.
He met. अब तो आपको उसका नाम भी मालूम है. You know the name?
Ma'am, of the girl,
Yeah.
of the 15-year-old girl. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
you
that
can.
was Veera, I guess.
It was Vera. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Pratham.
isn't it Viru?
Vera, V-E-R-A, I think. It is V-E-R-A. Yeah, V-E-R-A. Page number 58. Second part, third, fourth line. I hope Vera has been amusing. Yes, Vita. Sirjan, have you written the questions, Vita? Hidde, you please read the next
Ma'am, yes, I have questions.
Yes, read the next question.
What assumptions did Mr. Nuttall have when he observed the room?
Yes. Who will answer?
Can I?
Yeah, sure. Sure.
When Mr. Nuttall observed the room, he found something undefinable about the room and assumed that the room belonged to a man. He also wondered whether Mrs. Sappleton was married.
He was doubtful that whether Mrs. Appleton was married or widowed, page number 56. An undefinable something about the room seemed to suggest masculine habitation. One man नहीं, श्रेया आपने one man use किया. So we should not go for one man because 3 figures we saw, na? Right? So avoid writing such facts because it was having some masculine habitation. It was showing the touch of masculine habitation कि वहाँ पे male person भी रहते थे. Okay? So we should tell the answer in that way only. Prefer that way. Okay? Yes, Ishita.
Okay, ma'am.
Ishita, next question.
Yes, ma'am. Describe Veera briefly with
Excuse me.
reference to the story.
Ishita, Harshit, I told Harshit, I think I called him Harshit name. Harshit, do you have beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishita, you will do next beta.
Describe Vera briefly with reference to the story. Vera was a 15 years old girl who was the niece of Mrs. Stapleton. She likes to make stories to frighten a person and to find occasions of fun and enjoyment.
Okay. In this question, very interesting question, and you can have long questions of this type also. So I would like to select adjectives about Vera. What you people think about Vera? Otherwise, Harshit, he has not taken particular adjectives. Harshit, repeat your answer, please. I would like adjectives later. Okay. Harshit, you repeat your answer.
Vera was a 15 years old girl who was the niece of Mrs. Stapleton. She likes to make a story to frighten a person and to find occasions of fun and enjoyment.
You do you feel, Harshit, that instead of sentences, you might have used phrases when we describe the character? No?
Yes.
We can just be a little brief. Vera, a 15 years old, comma, niece of Mrs. Stapleton, was. अब इसके साथ आप एडजेक्टिव ऐड करें. देखिए आपका क्वेश्चन कितना फुल ऑफ you know, it will have all the particular facts we want. Now add adjectives. Yes, Narinder. Adjectives. Adjective for Vera. We'll collect adjective now.
Ma'am, that should be one word only or like
Yeah,
two
one
words?
word. One word adjective. I want one word adjectives. You will give one
Ma'am,
adjective.
I am not getting the right word for her.
Right word? You can write
Because
full long question on Vera. Very interesting
So,
character.
ma'am, I can say then actually, ma'am, she loved to befool people. So I don't know what to call her.
Okay.
Like the one who
Okay.
fools
Who can?
others.
Yeah,
Next one
definitely.
word.
Yes, Hriday, definitely I'm coming.
Ma'am, witty girl, ma'am, maybe a witty girl she was.
Witty. Go on adding, writing in your notebooks. Witty. Yes, Ishita. Adjective for Vera.
Ma'am, she was imaginative. She has imaginative thinking
No, you can
and
say
was
you can
self-processed.
say imaginative. You can say imaginative.
Ma'am, and
Imaginative.
self-possessed.
Self-possessed, imaginative, witty. Yes, yes, other good students. Yes, Vansh. All are very nice students having different adjectives.
Ma'am, the line at last at short notice was a specialty.
One word. Vansh, I want one word. One word
Ma'am,
adjective.
sharp. हम जैसा इंटेलिजेंट के मैम थोड़े से synonym sharp maybe
Smart.
Not mess. I'll
Clever.
call the, I'll call the
Clever.
names. I'll call the names. I'll call the names. And you think for the different from others. Witty, intelligent, imaginative, Kashish. I'll call the name. You will unmute.
Clever.
Clever. Okay, some synonym of clever. Dekho, clever might be cunning also. Clever word means clever might be cunning. So instead of that, we can say smart. She was smart. Sachit. Yes. Sachit. Pani. Raise hand. Other students also raise hand.
Confident.
Confident, self-possessed, 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 confident. It is synonym. Yes.
I'm self-possessed or self-obsessed? Like,
Self-possessed, beta. Self-possessed.
Self-possessed. Okay.
Yeah, it is used in the chapter. It means that very confident, है ना? Very confident. Yes. Siddhima.
Ma'am, can we write observant?
Observant. Good observant. Good observant. There are still many in my mind. Many I have. Yes.
Ma'am, can we write bright?
Bright. Okay. Yes. Sirjan.
Ma'am, charming can be.
What?
Ma'am, charming.
Charming उसका हमने कुछ नहीं देखा. Charming point is not touched. Yes, Sahib, Ram, all present students. Salil, Pratham. She's a smart girl like Pratham. I still remember. Isn't it? Yes, beta. She's she tried to outsmart others. Very smart girl, very intelligent, very creative, very imaginative, and he's able to befool others. Very smartly she befool others. अगर आप directly adjective use
Ma'am,
करें, you can frame sentences.
find romance at short sentence.
Yes, Harshit.
He could find romance at short notice.
She just likes to befool others, है ना? She
And
entertain
ma'am, maybe
I
herself.
think
Yes.
ma'am, maybe a
I think,
notorious
ma'am, the
girl.
word should be intimidate.
Yeah,
Intimidate, ma'am.
you have searched for very nice. Intimidate.
Yes, ma'am, I checked on
Yes,
Google, so
yes.
that was
Yeah.
intimidate.
Very smart. Yes, intimidate.
And she was sure of herself.
I'm a very notorious and like a naughty type of girl. So
हाँ.
she love to befool others.
Mischievous, है ना? देखो, one thing is there that she is very smart, very creative. She's just like to play plans on others, है ना? But somewhere, how it affected? अब इसका जो effect था वो very negative. You will come in the next question. You will read in the next questions. Yes, yes, Kashish.
Ma'am,
Next
we
question.
can.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can write the adventurous also.
Adventurous, yes, adventurous because adventure gives
Ma'am,
you pleasure.
liar.
Adventure give
Liar.
you, adventure give you, yes, liar in the sense she tells a lot of lies. है ना? She tells a lot of lies. Yes, Ishita, next question, please. अब आप देखो, you can write a full-fledged question, long question on this. You can describe this character in more than 100 words, I think. That kind of imagination you should have, beta, in this now till the this and we are near the end of PT3. Now you should be imaginative like this also. You should be creative like this also, because you have to write long questions in 9th standard. You have to write. और अगर आप ऐसा सोचना नहीं सीखेंगे तो you will not be able to write. हमें अपने आप सर्च करना पड़ेगा अपने अंदर से. Okay? Yes, Ishita. Next question, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Fourth question is, what did Mr. Nuttall tell Mrs. Stapleton about his health?
Okay.
So,
How yes.
Mr. Nuttall told Mrs. Stapleton that doctors ordered him complete rest and absence of mental excitement and avoidance of anything in the nature of violent physical exercise.
Means he tells her about his mental health and all, why he had visited to that place, to that countryside for the relaxation. But next question. But she shows no interest, है ना? हमने ये देखा है. She does not show